Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID used to back up the phone. Without it, restores fail. Once done, verify an iCloud backup timestamp or an encrypted local backup in iTunes/Finder. Next, connect to Wi-Fi and power or plug into a Mac/PC with the latest Finder/iTunes. Make sure two-factor authentication codes are accessible. Now choose Restore from iCloud during setup, or select the encrypted local backup in Finder/iTunes, because encrypted backups include passwords and health data. You will watch the restore sequence closely. During an iCloud restore, pick the backup and remain on a fast Wi-Fi network. The device downloads settings first, then apps and media. If using a local encrypted backup, open Finder or iTunes, select Restore Backup, and enter the encryption password so passwords and health data return. Once the core restore finishes, apps redownload in the background. If something stalls, consider using a reputable backup extractor to pull contacts, photos, or messages from the local backup. You finish by signing into iCloud, then verifying mail, messages, contacts, photos, and iCloud keychain synced correctly. Some items sync after the apps finish redownloading. Make sure two-factor sign-ins and app passwords restore properly. If activation lock appears, contact the original owner to remove the device from their Apple ID or bring proof of purchase to Apple. That's the single crucial recovery path. If errors persist, update iOS, switch networks, retry the restore, or use DFU mode as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.